guys, this is Ziki, Z-I-C-K-Y. I'm about to take you through a tutorial of Todzungaira, starting on 5 and 11 on nyunganyunga. So if you're playing Todzungaira from this position, here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, don't mind these two notes, they are additional. Or others, they are notation, they count 1, 3, 5, and this is key number 11. So you start on key number 5 and 11, double, that's your first note. Then you go on key number 7 and 15, that's the second note. Then key number 1 and 13. So these are the first three notes. 1, 2, 3. So you play them double is 3 times, sorry. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the first set, okay? Then the second set with 3 notes again. 5, 11, you got there. Then 5 and 13, 1 and 13. So the second phrase, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the second phase. So for now, let's play the first phase and the second phase. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second phase, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The third phase will start on key number 3 and key number 13. Then we'll go to key number 5 and key number 13. Then again, it will complete with 1 and 13. It will sound this way. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the fourth phrase that completes the song will start back on key number 5 and key number 11. This way. 2, 3, then 7 and 15. 3 and 11. Okay, so to play it, it will sound 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the first portion, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, so to play continuously now.